Good morning, traders. Oh my God. Your boy overslept. Wow. But I went on a little date last night and stayed out longer and got drunk, but my alarm should have went off, man. What the hell? But we're all right. We're all right because I built this portfolio with strategy, guys. And we're all right. We're actually up money, right? Go to sleep, wake up, you got money. Wow. I like that. All right, let's take a look at some of the positions though. So we got SLB up 50 on the day. Now it's at 56% up. I like that. Um, this is the 5 minute chart we got going on right now. Boeing, let's look at Boeing since we have Boeing up already. Boeing, we're down on the day 12, but Boeing looks like if it holds this 5 minute, we'll be back golden. SLB. Oh, SLB off to the moon again on today's action. So this is going to be two straight days up. So we'll see if SLB can give us okay, so yeah, if it gets close to that 300 mark today, then we'll take it. We'll take that trim. Because on the weekly, I mean, I think it's hitting resistance on the weekly, right? Oh no, oh wait, our resistance could be 44.76. So if we get another 73 cents out of this, if we're at that 300 mark, then I'll trim. Just because that's just super positive momentum, and we're also getting to our cap size. Um, it won't be 100%, but it'll be worth it. It'll still be closer to more. Yeah, it'll probably be closer to like 80% if it gives us 50 more bucks per contract. CVS back to the top, guys. We were what worried yesterday? No, not at all. It came right back. We're right back there. And if I would have sold it, then I would have had to try to remember to buy it, and then maybe I wouldn't have bought it. Um, so that's just the play we keep, we hold, we wait. Oh, TNA was actually down this morning. So when I woke up, I looked at my phone right away, and that was down. Looks like we're good. Starbucks coming back up. Let's take a look at TNA. I thought they were down yet again a lot this morning. Oh, they were, yeah. Boom. Man. Well, that looks like definitely that the momentum has changed on TNA. Look at that big green engulfing candle just taking over all the data for the day at 9:45, probably signifying a good uptrend. Might come back though and test the 20 moving average before it goes back up. Um, what else we got moving up? I saw Starbucks on the list. Starbucks, yeah, let's see what we're doing with Starbucks. Okay, perfect. Starbucks had a gap down below the 5 moving average, so we're finally seeing a little bit pressure. How's the 15? Oh, okay. I really don't want it to hold this 15. It looks like it's fighting. It broke it, confirmed break, now popped up. Now it has to confirm in the next 15 minutes if we're gonna keep that break to the downside because if not, then we're in for more ride. Oh, and on the 30 minute, okay, so I think Starbucks is finally going to give us that downward play. So that might turn into something juicy later today. Snapchat up 13 bucks, 35%. Nothing crazy. CLH up a little bit. What's down? TLT. Wow, TLT just on a roller coaster, huh? Wow. You don't say. We're all the way down here now. That's kind of ugly. That is kind of ugly. It's gonna snap back is my first thoughts. That's on the 30 minute. What is the 15 minute? Oh man, 15 minute it has some time. 30 minutes says it should snap back though. 5 minute. 5 minute has some time down there, so it might not snap back for a minute. That's crazy. That's crazy. Well, it would have been best to get the TLT position today for the long, but now it's yeah, just hold, wait, because I'm already at a pretty high position size on it. Yeah, 171, right? So we'll be getting close to that 300 if I were to buy another one, and don't really want to. I mean, I would if it comes down to 95. If it comes down to 95, then yeah, we'll get another one. SLB moving up some more. Love to see it. So is the CBS. So is TNA. So is Starbucks. So we're kind of chilling. Avigo. I thought we were over this Avigo. Thought you were ready to go down. Looks like it's just not ready to go down. Oh, today is so powerful. Today is strong. Today is strong. Um, well, it's in this area of resistance, so it should start feeling some downward pressure pretty soon. I would like to see that. But we'll see. Netflix. Netflix also was looking weak yesterday. Now it's back up. Oh, already rejected though up at these levels, so that's pretty cool. Oh man, Netflix looks like it. Oh, Netflix is guys. Netflix is coiling up. Netflix is coiling up. Whenever this move happens, might be worth taking a day trade. If it's definitely off, if it's on a Thursday or a Friday, because it looks like it might happen on a Thursday or a Friday, maybe later today, whatever the move could be. But this 5 minute chart is, oh, and the 15-minute chart. Oh God, guys, Netflix will make a big move soon. I don't know which direction. No one knows, but it's gonna make a big move soon. PayPal. PayPal down. I like PayPal, right? But so I could average into PayPal. But we're gonna wait a little bit. 15 minute, get a little rejection. On the daily, I think it's way up there. Yeah, it's way up there. So maybe 74 is what we're at on the daily. For the weekly. Yeah, 72. Yeah, it has some time to pull. It has a lot of space to pull back. So I'm not adding to PayPal anytime soon. Boeing we added to, Myrna we added to, Spy is free. Um, so they're down $10 right now, but still overall up 48%, but that's free. So we'll just hang out on it. We'll let it do its thing, see where it goes, see where it takes us. SLB coming up a little bit more. I like to see that. So I think we're pretty much break even on the day. Yeah, it looks like it's pretty even. Pretty even. Oh man, so first, what was that? 30 minutes are up? No, not 30 minutes. First, 50 minutes are up. And we got 10 more minutes to the first hour. We're chilling. Let's see, was there anything like really? Oh, Nike's down. Oh, Nike's down 7. Oh, Tesla down 5%. Wow. Okay. If Tesla can get back down to that weekly, maybe that's when we take a Tesla play, to the upside. And let's see how that 5 minute how this looks. You know what? We could take one today if we wanted to. Wanted to be crazy. Where did it gap down into? Into no man's land? 15 minute, 30 minute. Is that a gap fill? No, almost. Yeah, we want the 36, 30, 38 level. If we get that level, that's perfect. Because I think that will coincide with the weekly. That will coincide with the 236. Yeah, so we get 236 on Tesla. It's a go. Nike, this is kind of a nasty candle. That's pretty nasty. We're gonna hang out on Nike. We'll see what Nike can do. If Nike can build some support down here, and hang on. 'Cause that is a pretty bad drop, and still has to fill the gap. Still, yeah. But Nike and Tesla should be on the radar due to what just happened to them. Love was always on the radar. Let's look at Love. Love's hanging out. I like to see it. Um, CGC, no, AL, CLL, Parks, Starbucks, TOT, Google Pool, DraftKings. So yeah, those are starting to get into the higher or the percentiles where it actually isn't really, it's just flat basically. But love at down 2% is not bad. That could get us a good position, especially if we wanted to hang out at like 34, 35. Let's see what contract pricing would be at if we went to say the end of the year and we went for the 35s. Not, it's a pretty tight spread. Then we have the 30. Oh my God, there's a lot of open interest at the 37.5, which don't know if it can get there, but risking the uh risking the um risking the less amount of money does sound like a better plan. I think it can get back up there though. I definitely think it can. Um, yeah, let's get two of these. Why not? We'll try to get it for 32. Ah, it filled. Okay, so we got two at 32. Perfect. Um, Now we'll just sit on those, see where that goes. Um, Other than that, let's chill a little bit. What's up a lot? Tulio back in action. CBS, Abigail. I do not like that Abigail is up that much. Why is Abigail up so much? Why do? Yeah, Abigail might be. I guess we're only down on the whole percent on the whole portfolio, 4%. We had the nice 20% yesterday, but that's all right. That's all right. SLB pulling back a little bit. Starbucks getting up there. Snapchat up there. And we're just hanging out. Walmart puts are, how's Walmart looking? Walmart's still at the very, very top. Hmm. Yeah, that's not bad. I mean, we still gotta wait a little bit. It's up at the moon, so we'll see if it comes back down or if it, I mean, it's not far from its highs though either, so I could see it breaking its highs easily. Um, Very, very easily. So TOT Abigail, see it, Abbott. Maybe we average in the Abbott because Abbott's in a good spot. Abbott is in a good spot. It could still fail. It could fail, and then it's respecting the eight moving average. Yeah, it was respecting the eight moving average. So it's failing the eight moving average. Now we're gonna see. I think we probably will fail the 200, and then I think the 800 or the 20 moving average is gonna pick it up. So we can wait on Abbott too. Um, Yo, what's up, YouTube? Your boy is back. It's been a relaxing day. Honestly, haven't made. I mean, I did buy a few positions. You can see them up at the top. But as far as looking at the phone all day, I really didn't. These are kind of some the last minute ones I made, some last minute decisions I made. So let's just go over them really quick. So let's drop this. Okay, so we are up on SLB. Um, that's the highest on the day, which it's at $40, which is about 50% of the position, and it's pretty high. I don't want to cut it yet. SLB looks like it can give us another pump up tomorrow because we could get up to the 40, 40, 76. But I'm also liking, I believe it was not the 4 hour, the 1 hour. I'm liking that we reclaimed the 200 moving average on Tuesday and we've just been pushing up since. We made a new local all-time high, so now I want to see if we can test that new all-time high and get us higher. On the 4 hour, it would be cool to get to the 200 moving average within one push. Don't know if that'll happen, but I still see that we have a little bit more upside on this position. As I'm talking about it, it's up a little bit more. Um, Snapchat, that's just a long-term play. I don't really want to. I mean, I can touch the 50% right now, but it's just been making a great move. And then for it to come and hit this 200 moving day average and get shot up right away, I mean, that means it has some more juice in it. Maybe if, we get up to here and here, we'll start getting rid of Snapchat. Starbucks, that's a put. I think Starbucks is finally starting to show us some weakness. Here's the 4 hour. 4 hour has a long way to go. 1 hour, I would like for it to break that. But on the 30 minute, it broke it. So we broke the 200 moving average. Now we'll see if it acts as resistance, pushes it down through these levels in the next day or two, and hopefully come back down to some of these levels down here. And overall, the position's only net down -5, so we're good there. CVS is my free position. Not going to look at that one. It's not at 300, so I don't need to cut it. TNA is okay. So one of the positions I added was Love. I added both airlines, I'm pretty sure. I added Love and AAL. Love was only 32 a piece, so 60, 64. I got two of them. And then American Airlines, I got four of them. Roughly average of what, $18, $17, 17.50, right? So it's just smaller positions, nothing to be crazy about. Um, but I can kind of show you why I decided to go with those decisions. Love on the 4 hour, no, not the 4 hour, the weekly, because I bought these all the way out to the end of the year. I mean, it's bouncing in the same area right here, so I would say, and it's holding up above the 8 moving average, and it was down percent today. On the day, it's down 1.37. So I think that was a decent entry for our start to the position. And AAL, same ordeal. It's also down 1%, but AAL has actually been having a terrible week. It's actually moved down a lot. That's just all the way down to this moving average, which is good. We're a good pickup. But if you look at the hour chart, it's just been getting beaten down so much. Now we're under that 20 moving average. So that's kind of the scary part there. But and on the 34 hour, we lost it. So yeah, this is kind of scary. This is one of those positions maybe I could have waited on. Um, I would hate for us to get a double bottom down here. If that happens, we'll see where the week ends, right? We have 2 more days. Um, and if it can't hold the 1074, then maybe I'll just get out because that is a little bit of a you can tell I don't have confidence in this position as opposed to some of the other positions that I've been taking, right? So, um, averaged in on Disney. Disney was good. New position I got into Square and Nike, and I averaged in on the Walmart puts. because Walmart is starting to set up like it could really give up soon. Um, Pulling back on this tweezer. 30 minute has to breach the 30 minute, but on the 15 minute, we broke it. So now we're hovering here. We'll see if this 200 moving average on the 15 minute becomes resistance. Then it should break through the 30 minute on the 200. And then we have a long way down on the 4 hour. And to get to either if it still coils in like that, that'll be a bad sign. But we kind of made this double top right here. That would have been obviously the best time, Tuesday, yesterday, to get to actually start the position on puts. But nonetheless, we added to it because it's starting to work out and play out a little bit. Square was the other position that we went into, right? Square. Let's check the 4 hour or the weekly chart. Yeah, so Square hasn't done much. 81's its top, right? Its lows are 53. And it's been kind of going bouncing in between that all year. So we're kind of in the middle of all of that. So I just kind of picked it up because right now it's down 1.55%, having also sort of a bad week to start. So we'll see if we get a shift in momentum. And also, not the 5 minute. I don't care about the 5 minute. Hopefully the 4 hour can hold. That'll be a good sign of reverse. And the 1 day, hopefully the day looks like it's about to break actually. So that's not a good sign. We'll wait for one more day to confirm the break, right? Um, and then that could be either a good position or not. And I only added one contract, I'm pretty sure. So it's just a starting position, right? And that's pretty much it. I think I added to Disney just because Disney's down right now, and I believe Disney's great. Disney's always a good option. Okay, it's back up a little bit, so I might have even made a little profit on it from the start of the day. Um, for the 4 hour, a little bit of resistance there. Um, Kind of ugly into here, but we still have that. That's just kind of a little bit of a pullback. So now I'm averaging in my position. So that's kind of what we're looking at now. Avogo, the worst on the day. I am contemplating this one. Um, Signs are still good, guys. Like there's this huge gap here, right? We have a pretty big gap here. We had problems up here at the 180, kind of pulling, but it looks like we have some support forming. It's up 2%. But also what I want to know is, or yeah, the weekly chart, definitely there's no barely any volume, but we have 2 more days. But something I wanted to know is the day chart. Look at the day chart. Look how look at this low volume right here. So we had a nice huge spike up of 2%, almost 3% at one point in time, but on low volume. So that kind of, gets me excited about the put still. The 1 hour has a long time to go. The 30 minute has to has to break that, but the 15 minute already started to be resistance, which is good, right? The 15 minutes started to be resistance. That's a good sign. Um, so we'll just have to see where we go from here. If we want to push down from this 15 minute back down to the 166s, but it looks like we'll probably stop at 169 first before we go down to 165. Um, so that's kind of all I'm looking at right now. Um, I think we're getting down to barely any cash. So I think I have like only 200 bucks left. So I won't use that until I get free up some more money because I always want to have because like look at Nike, right? Nike was a buy today. I bought Nike and why did I buy Nike? It's down here at this 200 moving average, so hopefully the 20 not the 200, the 20 moving average, so hopefully the 20 moving average catches it and holds it. pushes it back up. But they had earnings, right? And their earnings was it really that bad? Estimated was 0.51 and they came in at point 0.7. So they actually beat, right? Maybe they weren't expecting them to beat that much. That's why it pulled back, but then that gives us a buy opportunity, right? So it was down 6% on the day. So your boy swooped in and picked up some Nikes. Right here, we got that was Abbott. It just swapped on me. Nike, we got a contract for I believe 80. We're down $1 on it, and it's at 83. So we got it for 84. So um, I think overall that's a good position. Back to $100. I don't know if it's necessarily going to go to 100 by the end of the year, but if it even gets up to 90 in a month, then that's a sell. That's a good trade. But that is all I did. We got 5 minutes left. I don't think, yeah, I'm not selling at SLB yet. I will wait till tomorrow. If we get like a nice little gap up, push up tomorrow from cause look, it claimed the 15-minute, 200 moving average. I believe it has the 30-minute 200 moving average. Yeah. So right now yeah, the 400, it has a ways to go and the 1 hour. It claimed it on the 1 hour. So honestly, I think we're smooth sailing for a little bit here. Maybe we get 45 tomorrow. 45 would be good. Or 45 would be cool. Get a nice 45. And I think that would then put us at a pretty good amount. Maybe then each contract is worth hopefully 150 and we'll trim that position. I mean, 50 taking a 53 percenter isn't the end of the world. Um, I just see what the chart is kind of telling me to hold on just a little bit longer. So we'll play that out. We'll play that out. But your boy had a relaxing day. Didn't do much today. Got some plans tonight again. Hopefully, though, I don't stay out too late and I'm ready to get back into the morning bag. Mañana. Catch y'all later, guys. Peace.